International Aero Products Finale is a quick detailer. It's a final wipe down. Great for removing dust, light water drops. Anytime you go to a show, if your car was generally clean when you left and it's a little bit dusty when you get there, it's a perfect wipe down. Direct sunlight's not a problem. Dark vehicles, not a problem. It's a great all-around cleaner. Also works on interior. We use it on the aviation sector. We use it on a lot of fixtures, laminated surfaces. It works in a lot of different areas. So it's probably one of our most versatile products. The next product we have is Aero View. Aero View is our window cleaner. It's a streak-free window cleaner. It's got a little bit of alcohol in it, but not a ton, so it flashes really well without leaving any streaks or residue. Immaculate is our crystal clear interior cleaner. It's designed originally for silk, leather, wool, any natural fibers. Works great on all the synthetic and man-made stuff as well. Again, it's crystal clear, so it doesn't leave any residue at all. It's got a really nice scent. Shine is our waterless wash and speed wax. It is a true dry wash. So you can take a moderately filthy vehicle, wipe it down with Shine, and then give it a quick polish. And it'll give you up to 90 days of protection with a polymer protectant. Away is our engine degreaser. It works great for engine bays. It works great for under the vehicle, around tires, wheels, brake calipers, all that stuff. It's a vegetable-based formula, so it's non-hazardous, non-flammable, non-toxic. You can even use it as a hand cleaner if you need to. So I do that quite often. Aero Suds is our pH-balanced wet wash soap. The Aero Suds is super concentrated, so just a capful to fill up a 5-gallon bucket and you'll get sudsing over the top. And you really don't need a ton of soap, especially with Aero Suds. This 16-ounce bottle will go a really long ways. Aero Supple is a leather conditioner. It's actually a 3-in-1. It's a leather cleaner, conditioner, and protectant. So Supple is designed for super high-end exotic leathers. You think of how much better it's going to work on your car than the typical stuff off the shelf. Protect is our water-based tire dressing. It's a satin finish, non-sling formulation. It's designed to penetrate the sidewall of the tire, so there's no sling. Plus, after a couple of applications, you'll notice that your tires stay cleaner longer, and when you go to wash your car, you typically don't even have to do your tires again because they look so much better than the rest of the car. Spot is our fabric cleaner. It's designed as a protein-based spot and stain remover. It's fantastic. It'll neutralize any of the protein-based stains and get your carpets clean. Fusion is our polymer-infused carnauba wax. We got a lot of pressure in the market to do a carnauba wax, so we came out with Fusion, and of course we integrated it with the same polymer that we use in our Shine product over here, but we added the carnauba to give the deeper gloss. As you know, polymers are easy on, easy off, super durable, but you just can't quite get the gloss you can get out of a carnauba. That's why we came out with the Fusion. It's a light cherry scent, it's nice, it's easy to apply. I don't recommend direct sunlight, but you're going to get a good 6 months out of a coating of that wax. So anyway, that's our traditional line. Definitely worth taking a look at, and thanks for visiting us at Aero 360.